Hi, I'm Ron Berty. We're here at InfoComm 2024 at the Matrox booth. So we'd love to show you our ConvertIP products with our ConductIP controller. So the ConvertIP product, what we're actually demonstrating here is live event application. So we're using a Panasonic Kairos as the vision mixer, and we're getting, that's all, Kairos is running on a 25 gig uncompressed network, and that's usually the way you're going to run a live event. Uncompressed content, perfect quality, and zero latency. But at the same time, you want to drive that content to different parts of the organization or the production. So potentially behind at a theater, for instance, the screens or the stage, so that people know when to get on stage, down to the makeup room or the changing room, so actors know when they need to be back at the stage and on stage. And when you do that, you wouldn't use a 25 gig network. It's too expensive. There's no reason to use that quality of content. So what we're doing is we're flipping that 2110 25 gig uncompressed network to a 1 gig JPEG XS network. And you can see there's really no difference at all in the quality and the latency. And that way you can transfer and push that content to those other environments other than the live production with a lower cost for infrastructure. Additionally, we have a feature called, and that's what we're showing here, ConvertIP Daisy Chain, where with a series of devices on ConvertIP, we can send several AV over IP signals from one switch interconnect and then from one device to the next to the next. And if we're running, say, 500 megabits a second on JPEG XS, we could conceivably, on a 10 gig network connection, have 19 different pieces of content running on that, and any one of these devices can be playing any one of those pieces of content. And you don't have to go back to the switch in order to get that to operate. You save all that installation time, both good for live events and for permanent installations. Makes a lot of sense to use that daisy chain feature. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and hopefully you saw us here at InfoComm 2024. We'll see you next time. And see us at matrox.com, matroxvideo.com, and also on LinkedIn.